All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted top grill that we just had done for a customer. It's an 8 top teeth, and it is 925. It's sterling silver. You have the diamond cuts there with the diamond dust finish. Gives it that nice dazzling look. Beautiful grill, guys. It's handmade. Here's the back side. It just snaps right on the teeth there. So these are custom grills. They're made specifically for you or for the customer. And they will fit you like a glove. Once they're done, you just snap them on. It stays on nice and snug. Of course, they're removable. Beautiful grills, though. Check that out. Nice shine to them. They're available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. High quality, handmade work. Okay. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.